I bought this for my boyfriend. It came with some really nice, rawhide gloves. They're really nice and feel really good. It comes with these protective plate screens. You have to take the, the protective film off before you use. Okay, well, with the helmet, I thought this was awesome. It comes with, I'm not sure what all that stuff in there is because I'm not a welder. But it has a sensitivity and a delay in there. You could test the battery up in the left-hand corner right there. And on the side, it has a, a button. It's not really a button. You can, turn it one way or the other. But it's like a dimness or a brightness on how dark you want, the screen in the front to be when you're welding or grinding or anything. But the graphics on it is really awesome. That's why I actually bought it, because of the graphics, and I thought it was a great buy. But he's used it and he loves it. So I highly recommend this set because it is a great set. Thank you.